Okay, I will be stitching the eye collar neck with cut. Okay, so I want to cut what I will use to turn it. So just place the front block like this and then trace it. Okay, I'll be using this one to turn it. I deliberately made the wideness to be what it was because by the time you turn it, it's going to be wider. Okay, and it's not everybody that likes wide neck. Okay, so I will twist it like this. I measure 2 inches round. Okay, so I'll be placing this on it. Place it there. Then I will have to stitch it and turn it. Let it align very well so that the shape can come out. Okay, let's get to the machine, and from the machine I'm going to put the darts, and then I will show us how we're going to put the back panel to stitch it together, and when we have completed that we come back to know what next. Thanks for watching. Okay, the piece I cut to turn it, I fixed it. Okay, see, I've used it to turn it, so and then I need a piece of the interfacing gum stay for the shape of that neck. So I place it, I'm going to iron it, going to give it a hot press. Then after that I'll be turning this, use it to turn it. Okay, because there won't be any line in there, so I'll use it to turn it. That's the next thing. So after that I will join the back. I will show us I'm going to join the back. Okay. Okay, the back of the has been joined. Okay, the gum stay has been ironed to it, and so a little taping at the edge of it. So the next thing is that we're joining the back panel to it. And how do I do that? Okay, I fixed everything about the front. So this side is going to be, this is the eye collar or outer collar as you call it. So I'll be fixing the back panel now. So either I fix the back panel, I've already put the zip there, and then this is the back panel, so turn it to the so the center of the eye collar there, I put it together with the center of this one here. So you pin it together. Pin it. Let it align. And you trace this one to where the curve of the back is to meet with this place. Then you align it with the shoulder, so they have to be together. But if you're aligning it, want to put lining, okay, you can go ahead and put your lining. So this center at the back, has to go with this place so that the shoulder will lay. So I run my stitch from here this way to this place, and then I'll have completed it, so it come out this way to end up this way. Okay, then I will complete the side, stitch the side, the two sides, and that's all about the eye collar design. Beautiful. Thanks for watching.